When you choose DEKOR Lighting, you truly choose lighting for life. With an extensive LED lighting selection, including aluminum balusters, recessed deck dots, LED post caps, fluid flex LED rope lights, and accessories like the Easy Motion controller, you can find your perfect lighting fit. Using top-tier raw materials like die-cast aluminum and polycarbonate give your lighting extra shine and staying power. With a sturdy weight and feel you'll notice right away. And since all of our products are made at our headquarters in Denver, Colorado, we can deliver trusted solutions with a warranty to match. With the ease of our patented plug-and-play technology, new homeowners, DIY lovers, and contractors can create a stunning shine without needing expert help. Plus, the customizable options offered with each product extend your lighting possibilities with powder-coated color options, cable lengths, LED upgrades, and beyond. With DEKOR on your side, your home will stay shining through constant wear and tear, severe weather, growing kids, and changing lives. And that's the DEKOR Difference. To discover illuminating home solutions, visit dekorlighting.com. DEKOR Lighting. Lighting for life.